Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am SHIEKH Islam, teacher of high school Shama, and today we are going to discuss about the next topic from the said chapter. The name of the topic is Petrochemicals. Let's start with our topic. Petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are basically a set of chemicals which are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Or we can state that it is a complex set of chemicals which are obtained along with or which are obtained by different reactions between petroleum and natural gas. The different petrochemicals which are very much useful to us or which are very much useful during laboratory purpose are methanol, ethanol, formaldehyde, acetone, acetic acid, ethane, formaldehyde, and ketone, or some other these petrochemicals, certain esters like palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid. These are the petrochemicals which are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Besides this, certain other chemicals are there, certain other petrochemicals are there, like certain detergents are there, fertilizers are there, or certain explosives are there. Even hydrogen gas, that is a very much important fuel that is used during laboratory practice or laboratory experiments, and all these chemicals are obtained from petroleum and natural gas, and mostly they are obtained from petroleum. That is why this petroleum is also called as black gold. And these fossil fuels, that is coal, petroleum, natural gas, they are basically if they are constantly used or they are used at an alarming rate. These fossil fuels will not last more than 100 years. That is why during their extraction from the Earth's crust, or during their usage or during their handling, it is very much necessary to ensure that there must not be any wastage of all these chemicals, or we must extract them from the Earth's crust with utmost care, and we must handle them properly. There must be the proper combustion of all these fossil fuels, or we must ensure that there must not be any any crude mixing of these fossil fuels with other unwanted substances that will render their use or that will make them unfit for other purposes. The consumption of most of these petrochemicals or these fossil fuels, it will lead to, or it will give rise to air pollution. That is why it is to be mentioned that these fossil fuels, they must be prepared in such a way that or there must be certain variation in their structure, so that the chemicals which are being arising from their combustion, they must be less pollutant. That is why certain changes were brought in the laboratory, so that the petroleum it will produce less pollutant, or natural gas or coal, they must produce less these pollutants, or there are certain chemicals which are being made in the laboratory along with these chemicals, these fossil fuels, so that their usage must be very much low. For example, the mixture of this petrol with ethanol, it gives rise to a chemical that is called as power alcohol. और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि जो एक तो काफी ज्यादा जो पेट्रोल है ये काफी कम खर्च होता है, और दूसरी वजह जो इंजन होता है या जो गाड़ी होता है, गाड़ी की जो माइलेज है वो काफी ज्यादा इंक्रीज होती है. तो इससे क्या होता है, जो पेट्रोल की खपत है, जो पेट्रोल काफी ज्यादा कंज्यूम होता है अगर हम दिन भर गाड़ी चलाएंगे, तो इससे एक्चुअली काफी ज्यादा हमें आसानी मिलेगी. दैट इज वाई कि लेबोरेटरी में हमें कुछ चेंजेस ऐसी लानी है ताकि इन केमिकल्स के अलावा हम दूसरे कुछ केमिकल्स बना सके. तो इसी वजह से क्या है कि इन केमिकल्स को, इनकी यूसेज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए बेसिकली एक एसोसिएशन बनाई गई. तो एसोसिएशन क्या है, ये है पीसीआरए. तो ये क्या है, पेट्रोलियम कंजम्पशन रिसर्च एसोसिएशन, ताकि इन तमाम केमिकल्स की जो यूजेज है इसको हम थोड़ा सा कम कर सके. ये तमाम या पेट्रोकेमिकल्स या पेट्रोलियम के साथ जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है, इनकी खपत को कम करने के लिए क्या एक एसोसिएशन बनाएंगे जिसको पीसीआरए कहते हैं. तो सबसे पहले जो इसमें एक स्टेप लिया गया कि हमें हमेशा गाड़ी को कांस्टेंट स्पीड में चलाना है, دوسری بات یہ ہے کہ جب بھی گاڑی ہم کسی جگہ گاڑی کو روکیں گے, ہم ٹریفک میں پھنسے ہوں گے, تو گاڑی کے انجن کو ہمیں سوئچ آف کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد جو ایئر پریشر ہے, جو ٹائرز ہوتے ہیں ان میں جو ایئر پریشر, اس کو ہمیں زیادہ کرنا ہے. اگر ہم کم رکھیں گے تو اس وقت کیا ہو سکتا ہے کہ جو یہ فیولز ہے, یہ گاڑی فیول کافی زیادہ کنزمپٹ کر سکتی ہے. اور اس کے علاوہ ہمیں اپنے وہیکل کو ریگولرلی مینٹین کرنا ہوگا تاکہ ہماری جو گاڑی ہے یہ کافی کم فیول کنزمپٹ کر سکے. دیٹ واز آل اباؤٹ ٹوڈیز ٹاپک. ہیو اے نائس ڈے.